Trying to get clean, accurate cuts with the wrong saw can turn simple projects into wasted material and a lot of frustration. Whether you're building furniture or tackling weekend projects, the right saw makes everything easier. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best sliding compound miter saws that help you cut faster, cleaner, and with much more confidence. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Skill. The Skill is a great choice for homeowners, DIY users, and even more serious hobbyists who want a sliding compound miter saw that feels capable without becoming overwhelming. It brings a very balanced combination of cutting power, portability, and precision, which makes it useful for a wide range of shop and home projects. One of its best features is the LED shadow line system. That is a big advantage because it helps you see exactly where the blade will land without the guesswork that often comes with older guide systems. When you are trying to make clean trim cuts or consistent repeated angles, that extra clarity saves time and helps reduce mistakes. It also feels thoughtfully designed for day-to-day use. The horizontal grip handle is comfortable. The safety trigger placement works well for both left-handed and right-handed users, and the quick clamp helps secure material faster. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Doberman 3A. Some models feel too basic, while others seem unnecessarily intimidating. This one does a very good job of landing between those extremes. The Doberman 3A is a strong pick for users who want a larger sliding compound miter saw with solid versatility for woodworking projects around the shop or garage. It is especially appealing for people who regularly cut boards, trim pieces, and larger stock and want extra cutting width without stepping into an ultra-expensive category. A major strength here is the sliding rail system paired with generous cutting capacity. That added reach makes it easier to handle larger materials and gives the saw a more capable feel on a wider variety of projects. The common angle presets also help simplify setup, which is useful when you want to move quickly without constantly second-guessing your adjustments. The laser guide adds another helpful layer for accuracy, while the motor provides enough strength for smooth cutting through common wood materials. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. DWT. Not every miter saw is built for the same kind of user. Some people need a machine that can move between different materials and adapt to more varied tasks, especially if their projects are not limited to basic woodcuts. That is exactly why this one stands out. It feels like a more flexible tool for people who like having options. The DWT is an excellent choice for DIY users and workshop owners who want a sliding compound miter saw that can handle more than just straightforward woodworking. Its dual-speed setup makes it especially attractive for those who may cut wood one day and softer metals or plastic on another. That kind of flexibility can make the saw more useful over time and easier to justify as an investment. Another reason it ranks this high is the accessory package. Getting multiple blades right away gives you more room to adapt the saw to different tasks without immediately buying extras. That makes the experience feel more complete from the beginning, which is always nice when you are setting up a new workspace or upgrading older tools. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Marv Tool. Sometimes the best saw for your needs is not the heaviest or the most complicated one. It is the one that gives you enough power, enough adjustability, and enough portability to actually fit the way you work. That is the appeal here. This model feels designed for people who want solid capability without the burden of a huge, difficult-to-move machine. The Marv Tool is a smart choice for users who need a compact and portable sliding compound miter saw for home renovation, trim work, and general workshop use. It is especially attractive for people who may need to move the saw around the house, carry it to different job areas, or store it in tighter spaces when the work is done. Its strong motor gives it a confident feel in use, helping it push through common wood and softer metal cutting tasks without feeling underpowered. That matters because a saw can look great on paper, but what users really notice is whether it feels smooth and dependable once the cut begins. This one seems built to deliver that reassuring everyday performance. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Evolution 185. This pick is built for people who want one machine that can cover more types of cutting without forcing them to maintain a separate saw for every material. It is especially useful for people cutting mild steel, reclaimed wood, plastic, copper, and other materials that would normally push a more traditional wood-focused saw outside its comfort zone. That broader capability makes it feel like a more serious, all-purpose workshop tool. One of its biggest advantages is that it combines versatility with precision. The laser guide, clear angle scales, positive stops, and adjustable depth stop all help you make more controlled and repeatable cuts. That means the saw is not only capable of handling different materials, but also designed to help you do cleaner, more accurate work while switching between project types. It also feels built with practicality in mind. The integrated carry handles, longer power cable, included clamp system, and dust bag all add convenience during setup and use. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Dovaman 1A. This model makes a strong impression. It gives you a nice mix of user-friendliness, cutting range, and versatility that suits both newer and more experienced users. It is especially appealing for home woodworkers, renovation enthusiasts, and serious DIY users who want a tool that feels ready for framing, molding, furniture work, and a variety of workshop tasks. Its extended cutting range is one of the biggest reasons it ranks so highly. The sliding rail and side extensions make it easier to handle larger boards and more ambitious projects, which adds a lot of practical value. Instead of feeling boxed into smaller cuts, you get a saw that can take on more substantial work with better support and stability. The dual-speed design adds another layer of usefulness, especially for users cutting wood, plastic, and softer metals. The laser guide helps keep cuts cleaner and more confident, while the full accessory package makes the saw feel ready to go from the start. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Evolution 255. When people invest in a sliding compound miter saw, they usually want one thing above all else: confidence. Confidence that the saw has enough power, enough capacity, and enough flexibility to handle both current projects and future ones. That is exactly why this model deserves a spot in this video. It feels like a serious tool for serious results. It combines strong cutting performance, wide-angle capability, multi-material usefulness, and workshop-ready features into one very complete package. It is ideal for users who want a saw that can handle demanding woodworking jobs, but also gives them the freedom to cut materials beyond wood when the project calls for it. One of the biggest reasons it stands out is its overall cutting versatility. From wood and composite materials to plastic and mild steel, it offers the kind of range that can simplify your setup and make the saw more useful over the long term. That means fewer limits and more confidence when new projects come your way. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best sliding compound miter saws you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.